Gretchen.
And Julio. Don't forget about Julio, because Julio's so cool. I'm so cool.
But I'm Gretchen. Gretchen's so cool because Gretchen has a sick name. Because I'm Gretchen.
Julio!
Gretchen.
Julio.
Gretchen. Well, today's Valentine's Day, the day of love, the day of love. And I love you. And you. And
I thought
you.
loved me.
But I like all those people watching me right now. Hi! I'm a lobster today. Because lobsters are red and red Valentine's Day colors.
I'm a monster cow.
And we like somebody named Philip.
What?
We like somebody named Philip. Philip just texted me. He says, "Get away, Gretchen." Philip, not nice.
He likes me.
So, if you out there and you don't have any love, that's so sad. So sad. So sad.
So shut up about Valentine's Day. Let's talk about our stuff.
Well, I'm a singer and I'm famous for my singing career.
And I'm a sideburn model. How beautiful
Look at
sideburns.
those sideburns. Yes, ma'am.
Luscious.
Hi. I'm Gretchen.
I bet I'm a
Gretchen,
better singer
Gretchen.
than you.
Wanna bet? You get the best. The whole world.
And you're
rock
welcome
the show. I'm so better. Now you guys can vote to see who's better at singing, Gretchen or Julio. So one more time. You get the whole world. You chill it out. Take it slow. Yeah. Then you rock out the slow. Yeah. Now.
Keep singing.
So, you can vote to see who wins. Me, Gretchen, or Julio. Okay? But I'm definitely a better singer. I'll do it one more time. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it.
I found a bloody axe.
Ah! Well, now everybody has to hear Julio sing. I'm dying.
He's doing the bone dance.
Dancing and learning. And you're dancing and learning.
Yeah.
Okay, vote who's better. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.